Thank you very much, Yusek Paraiso. First of all, on behalf of our chairman, ICI Chairman Andy Reyes, unfortunately, he had to back off because he was not feeling well since this morning. So he asked me to just give a short opening remarks this TWG working group. First of all, he would like to thank all of the members of the TWG for continuing the hard work. We have, as you probably heard, in yesterday's 1 trillion rally, the demand is still very strong for people who are involved they'd like to see them in jail. But obviously, that will take some time, and that's why this TWG is a very important mechanism to address the non-legal aspect of what we can do as agencies. No? So, as mentioned in our first meeting, all of the agencies that were invited have administrative measures that can actually be utilized, no, in trying to address one way or the other, either asset recovery or administrative remedies in terms of sanctions and so on. No? So we'd like to encourage the agencies in this TWG to continue the hard work, and we hope that we can continue to have more results, and that's why we are meeting this afternoon, because we'd like to hear operational matters and how we can better coordinate and get better, faster results. We need the cooperation of everyone. We need the cooperation of all the agencies invited. And from the ICI side, what we'd like to do is hear from you recommendations so that we can have them included in the ICI reform recommendations to avoid a repeat of what has happened in the past few years.